Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are a group consisting of Novina Madanti, Gusti Amalia, Dinda Astrini Dewi, and Indah Nurhaliza. On this occasion, we will present our project title, Classification of Natural Disaster News using the TF-IDF and knife-based method. The background of this research is the abundance of disaster news spread across various platforms, making it difficult to classify manually. Therefore, we developed an automatically classification system to group news based on disaster type more quickly and accurately. Alright, without further ado, we will begin our presentation. Next slide. Okay. Project overview. Objective to classification natural disaster news efficiently using TF-IDF for feature extraction and knife-based for classification. This project addresses the challenge of processing large volumes of disaster-related news articles that require automated categorization for timely response and analysis. Methods: TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, for feature extraction and knife-based algorithm for classification. Expected outcome: an accurate classification model capable of categorizing disaster news into relevant categories, along with comprehensive research documentation. Next, planning phase. Objective: to find the direction of the research project, establish clear goals and scope for the classification system development. Output: 1. Problem formulation document. 2. Research objective statement. It is determine research title, identify problem, large volume of disaster news, select methods, the FIDF knife based, conduct comprehensive literature review exciting classification approaches, document finding and gaps. Phase 2, data collection, web scraping. 1. Objective and activities. Objective: collect dataset independently through web scraping techniques. Activities include scraping news data from multiple disaster news websites, collecting essential files, title, content, and link, and gathering more than 2,000 new articles to ensure sufficient training data. Output: raw dataset containing disaster news articles scraped from various online sources. Structured data with title, content, and link files ready for labeling phase. Next, data labeling. Objective and approach. Assign disaster categories to news data using keyword-based labeling approach. Output: label dataset ready for processing and model training. Category 1 Flood. Label news article containing flood-related keywords such as flooding, inundation, water rise, flash flood, and overflow. Identify patterns in headlines and content for accurate categorization. Category Earthquake. Classify article with earthquake indicators include seismic activity, tremor, magnitude, aftershock, and tectonic movement. Extract relevant terminology for precise labeling. Category 3 and 4. Landslide. Label article with keywords like mudslide, stop failure, debris flow, fire, identify wildfire, blaze for fire, conflagration terms, complete label data set enable supervised learning. Okay, Next, Dinda.
This one, case folding. Convert all text to lowercase format to ensure consistency and uniformity across the entry dataset for accurate text processing. Data cleaning, remove unwanted symbol, special characters, numbers, and irrelevant elements from the text to approve clean data for analysis. And next, for stop word removal, eliminate a common word like the, is, and that do not contribute meaningful information to the classification process. And stemming are optional. Extract word roots by removing suffix to reduce vocabulary size and group layered word together for better future extraction. Next slide. 5. Future extraction, TF-IDF. Objective, convert textual data into numerical vector that can be processed by machine learning algorithm. TF-IDF transfer clean text to meaningful numerical representation for classification. Activities, apply TF-IDF factorization on cleaned to data to calculate term importance across document. Generate numerical future metric for model input. Creating structured data ready for naive Bayes training. Next slide. Data splitting. Objective, prepare datasets for model training and evaluation by creating separate subsets. Activities, this one, split dataset into training set. Data splitting. Objective, prepare dataset for model training and evaluation by creating separate subset. Activities, this one, split dataset into training set, active present, and testing set 20%. Ensure balance distribution of these tester categories across both test sets. Validate data integrity after splitting and document split rotation and methodology. Output is training dataset containing 80% of labeled news article for model learning. Testing dataset with 20% of data served for unbiased evaluation. Both dataset ready for naive Bayes model development. Okay, consideration, proper splitting ensure reliability, model performance, metrics, and present overfitting.
Evaluation, have accuracy, precision and recall, F1 score, and confusion metric. Accuracy, measure overall correctness of the correct. Tunggu. Kok nggak berubah tampilan gue?
Berubah kok, berubah.
Berubah ya tadi?
Iya.
Okay. Next, phase 9, testing prediction. No. Okay, next, model evaluation. Accuracy, measure overall correctness of the classifier by calculating the ratio of correctly predicted intenses to total intenses in the test dataset. And then precision and recall. Precision measures exactness of positive predictions. Recall measure completeness in identifying all relevant intenses per disaster category. F1 score calculate harmonic mean of precision and recall to provide balanced performance metric for each disaster category classification. Confusion metric, create detailed metrics showing true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives for comprehensive error analysis. Next, page 9, testing, prediction, objective and activities, validate model with unseen news article to demonstrate real-world applicability, input new news text samples not used during training, predict disaster category, flood, earthquake, landslide, fire. Using the trained net bias model, compare prediction against expected category. And output, prediction result demonstrating model applicability on new disaster news articles. Validates classification system ready for practical deployment and documentation. Page 10, documentation and reporting. Objective, document the entire research process and findings comprehensively, compile or paste method and results into a structured research report ready for submission and presentation. Chapter 1 and 2, introduction, project background, problem statement, objectives, literature review, related research on the FEDF, net bias, and disaster news classification method. And chapter 3 and 4, methodology, data collection, pre-processing, the FEDF extraction, net bias training, result in discussion, model, performance analysis, accuracy metrics, and finding. And output, complete research report documenting all phases from planning to evaluation. Final documentation ready for academic submission and project presentation.
Team 1 outlines the 6-weekend project schedule for developing the natural disaster news classification system. Each phase builds upon the previous, ensuring system progress from initially planning through final documentation and reporting. Weekend 1 focus on planning and literature review to establish research direction. Weekend 2 involves data scraping to collection over the year 2000. News article. Week 3 covers label and processing activity. Weekend 4 implements TF-IDF, vector extraction, and neighbor bias modeling. Weekend 5 coincident model evaluation and from analysis. Weekend 6 complication report wording and final documentation for submission. Summary next steps. Complete planning phase data collection via web scraping data labeling into disaster categories processing. Scaffolding, cleaning, stopword removal. TF-IDF, vector extraction, and neighbor bias modeling training have been successfully complete. Next step, finalize model evaluation metrics. Aquary, Precision, Recalvic course, and conduce testing with new sample. Complete document and research report. Address challenge data imbalance mitigation and model optimized strategies.
Concludes our presentation on classified natural disaster news using the FEDF and knife base. We hope the result of this research can assist in processing disaster information more effectively and efficiently. We realize that this presentation still has shortcomings, therefore, we are very open to constructive criticism and suggestion. Thank you for your attention, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.